Here is the UAV Forecast app, which is a great tool for flying, both to find information that is practical that you need to know to fly, and also for liability, FAA reasons to make sure that you're doing everything and can document what you're doing. So here is a screenshot from the iPhone version from my phone. And what do we have here? It's basically, a bunch of boxes. Green is good, yellow is iffy, and red is no good. So everything here is good, so it gives me a good to fly, but we can look at each individual box and get information. So, wind gusts 12 miles an hour, okay, good to know. There's no legal requirement, but, if the wind's gusting at 50 miles an hour, I want to know this. Your visibility is greater than 3 miles, so that's good. You can click on each one, and it'll tell you, how you want to set it. This is the default is the 3 miles. So if visibility is less than 3 miles, it's going to turn red and say, yeah, don't fly. The yellow one here is your sunrise, sunset. So it's telling you got a sunset coming up at 5:09 today. Wind direction, wind speed, temperature. Everything else looks good. Your KP index is nice and low. If it was above 5, you got to worry about that for interference issues. It's telling you got some airports nearby. This is set for Boston, but it's giving you, giving you the all clear. But this is the information you want, and not a bad idea to just take a screenshot of this if you want to, document everything on your flight. You can also look forward into the future. 24 hours ahead in the free version. If I want to look forward to like Sunday, let's say I have something scheduled for Sunday, I got to pay, I think it's, not sure, $25 a year or total to pay, but you can unlock more functionality. I don't find that I need it, but you might want that. It might be worth it to kind of, if you're flying a lot and you want to plan things out, and you want to say, what's this weekend look like in, I don't know, Connecticut, right? And who really knows with the weather, but it gives you some indication of that. So that's the UAV forecast. So you can find it, in the App Store or an Android, and it's a good way to plan your flights, get the information you need and information you want, right? So there it is. Go use that.